sir. Welcome to Sunshine Restaurant. Do you have any reservation?
Do we have reservation?
Yes, we have a reservation under the name of Mr. and Mrs. Santos.
Okay, ma'am, let me check the reservation first. Upon checking, you have a reservation tonight at exactly 8 p.m. and with a table of 5. Is that clear? Okay, let me assist you to your table. This way, please. This is your table, ma'am and sir. Please sit.
Thank you.
Help me, ma'am.
Thank you.
Hi, do you have any available table for 5 persons?
Good evening. Thank you for choosing Sunshine Restaurant, but I apologize because all our tables right now are occupied. But when it becomes available, I inform you immediately. Thank you.
How long we will wait?
I can provide a seating area for you, ma'am, while you're waiting, and you can browse to our menu. This way, ma'am, please. Hello, ma'am. I am happily informing that we already have a table for you. Your table is ready, ma'am. Have a seat. This is your menu, ma'am. The waiter will going to ask your order after 5 minutes, and don't hesitate to ask me if there's anything else you need. Thank you.
Thank you.